The sun is very powerful, and we can use that power to generate useful electrical power. How much solar power is there available? To find out the total amount of solar power hitting the Earth, we can look at the Earth's radius to calculate the area of the Earth exposed to the sun. We do this by calculating the radius of the Earth squared times pi is 1.278 times 10 to the 14 meters squared, which is about 50 million square miles. But to get the amount of power we get from the sun, we can take that area and multiply it by 1070, because each meter squared receives 1070 watts of power from the sun. Once we do that, we find that the total amount of power hitting the Earth at any one time is 1.367 times 10 to the 17 watts. Now, to get some perspective on what that number means, all the power consumed by humanity equals 1.25 times 10 to the 13 watts on average. So the amount of power hitting the Earth from the sun is 11,000 times more than what humanity consumes. So there's more than enough power hitting the Earth to power civilization from the sun. So why don't we use more solar power? Well, it has to do with economics. Not just the cost of the panels, but the cost of the infrastructure needed to transport the power and to store the power. So until the economics change, we're going to continue burning fossil fuels as our primary source of energy.